Let me do an introduction. What's up, y'all? Hold on, I gotta find the right thing to say. This is a big deal. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. So right now, this house look a mess, y'all, like completely. Look at this. I have stuff everywhere simply because I'm finna move. Yeah, and there's more stuff over there. I can't, it's not even a walkway right here. And my room looks 10 times worse because I need to wash my clothes, and then on top of that, I have to sort out my clothes, what I want and what I don't want. So I'm inside my closet right now. Hold on. I'm inside my closet right now, and I'm putting everything that I'm not gonna take on this side. As y'all can see, I got all my jackets. I have so many jackets, that's crazy. But I have basically half of the clothes I don't want, my jackets and stuff like that. All of that's over here. I might take a few jackets because it does rain in Houston and stuff like that. But yeah, and this the selected few clothes I done said I'm gonna take. Yeah, I ain't went through this section yet, but yeah, y'all, we just finna get into it. I might need me a little bag because I might need to spend the night in. Babe, come over. Okay, don't miss out now. Okay, no, but we do need to spend a night bag. Okay, do need to spend a night bag. That's just on period. Lord, okay, now I can walk from here. Let's see, this hang here, I'm just gonna go on my necklace. Lord, or you think I can take it? I'm here. I can't do these. Yeah, I can't see these, but I'm gonna look. It's okay. We're gonna figure it out. Yeah, I'm gonna take these. I want cute fit with these pants, man. I feel like I'm good fit on these pants. Listen, I need to take a hole in. Get a hole in these pants. I don't need these. Go need these pants for it. Y'all, yes, for real, because these are not friends that these are really pants I'm gonna wear out. I can find some stuff under here because I can do that down here. I can show y'all my these for free. For free? No. Can't do that. Can't do that. Girl, whoever, how do these even, okay. Whatever, y'all. I ain't even got time. The stuff I be buying is just like, girl, what made you? What made you? I do like these things. Well, no, these are pants I wear these down photo shoots, so I'm gonna take those. Y'all got me a skirt, a leather skirt, y'all. That was copy. I'll just get on copy. This ain't going nowhere, it's in here. You don't even look the damn same. I don't work these things. I can look around these ones. I don't need those. Okay. Probably need that for the occasion, for a professional occasion, so I'm keeping it. You need a top and I'm gonna swell. Yeah. It's like where you looking. And I'm gonna need to pack up my purses and stuff like that, as y'all can see. I'm not taking that. My mama can keep that. I don't want it. I don't need nobody robbing me. Y'all, this my wig I'm gonna install because this gonna be a little maintenance vlog as well. Y'all gonna get the full little package though. I ordered this from Amazon. I'm gonna put the link in the description, but I ordered this from Amazon. It's 250 density, it's 30 inches, and I paid maybe like no more than 310 for this wig. I feel like it was a good deal. This hair like really soft, but we'll see when I install it. If I don't get what I'm going for, I'm gonna just style it a different way because I'm not gonna be out here looking like who done it and why. Like that's a no. No ma'am. I need to pluck it and bleach it and stuff like that. I'm gonna do that whole little ordeal. I'm gonna show y'all. Yeah, cause find something safe to play with. Yeah, I do too much, but I just got done washing my hair. I'm gonna blow dry it and put my wig on my head, so I can't get on with the rest of my activities today, cause we got a full day ahead of us, y'all. So let's get into it. Nothing on my scalp. And then we need that scalp itching. No ma'am. No ma'am. Just put that little all through there. like I'm okay, I think it's good. Now we're just gonna cut. If it's not good, we just gonna have to get her new wig out. Cause I really don't even use Got to Be lay my wigs down. I really don't know why I thought today was the day. Okay, y'all. I'm not done with this, but it's time to go check up on that wig. Be pretty much like done. Cause I use 4D volume developer and it does process faster. I'm gonna give it 5 more minutes. I'm supposed to leave 4D developer on for so long because of how strong it is. Like I don't think it's the strongest, but it definitely is a strong bleach. The size is not perfect, but that's okay because all I do is put my lace over my size anyway, so it don't even matter. But I'm gonna put glue on the seams of this so that the seams are, you know, seamless as they should be. Your hairline is. Do it how your hairline is. Please. I think it's done spreading this. I gotta go check on my wig again. Make sure she not over bleaching. Cause we don't need my lace balding. And let's go check on the wig. I really feel like it's time to wash it out. Cause regardless, I put makeup on it, but I still like to bleach my mouth. Okay, it's time to wash it because some of the hair kind of coming out. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash it. I'm running through cool water and cold water. The bleach took pretty well. Now I'm just gonna put makeup on her. I'm gonna put makeup on her because the scalp got to give scalp. You get what I'm saying? Bald cap got to give bald. Billy Baker bald. This how bald it got to give them. Layer number 1. Okay guys, so now I'm finna pull it down. And shout out to Amazon because that's where I got these. These are elastic bands. Let's see though. Are these good quality? Ooh, I love it already. There girl, my hair clipping. Down like so. Yeah, I like these elastic bands. Love it. I love it because it's soft, easy to run your hands through. Like, yeah, dear girl. Ooh, ooh. I'm about to hot comb this shit back. Do a little something to it. Okay, y'all, so I finished my hair. Now I'm gonna go to the nail salon so I can go get my toes done. Lord, oh, Jesus, it's so hot outside. Okay, y'all, so after the third nail shop, I done decided which one I want to go to. This ain't beating no. Look at my back. Okay, y'all, I just got done getting my toes done. I'm gonna get this wax real quick. I'm gonna let her torture me. Like that's what wax are.
Really, huh? Whole face, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Ai mới làm quá đây.
Oh, wait.
Good.
Ooh.
I think you do by yourself. Easy.
This is gonna hurt so bad. Okay, I'm sorry.
That's it.
Oh, it hurts. Oh my God. Oh
No! God, please, no! No! No!
no cap.
Cold water. When you're waxing, cold water, you know?
Okay.
Better. Okay?
Okay, here you go.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, y'all. We went and got the toes done. We went and got the wax, which I really didn't even need to get my eyebrows waxed because they looked fine to begin with. But yeah, I'm probably gonna go get me something to eat or something. I don't know, man. I know I'm supposed to be going out with my sisters later. They homegirls, but that's really my family. So yeah, I'm going out with my sisters later. For sure. Yeah, but make sure y'all always get this the way. Yeah, cause I know, baby, I got a mustache. I got a beard growing, kind of, sort of, like, yeah. So I be needing to go get that fixed up, and don't be ashamed about it, because everybody grow hair. Everybody grow hair, but if you got alopecia, you probably don't. But
What did he say?
everybody got hair, and that's all I'ma say. To get bullied so much, y'all, because yes, I am a hairy person, and I have.
She moved out of state, she doing left, she seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone, start up a business. Her daddy is
Not
not
around. Her mama is not around. Okay, I'm sorry. But I used to get, like, I'm not even gonna say bullied, but I used to get talked about so bad. I wouldn't say I got bullied because I ain't let nobody hurt my feelings. Even to this day, probably. I don't know what people say because I really don't care. Like, I grow hair on my arms excessively. I grow hair on my legs excessively. I grow hair a little bit down here. Like, it's not a lot, but it's not supposed to be there. And so, yeah, I just go get that waxed up, get my eyebrows waxed up, which I ain't got my eyebrows waxed in a minute. I move out in a few more days. I ain't started packing none of my clothes. It's not like it's a trip where you gotta plan out every like outfit, so it really don't even matter. But we finna get going, y'all, cause yeah.
alone, start up a business. Her daddy
Hold on, what song came before this? Cause I was in here going in. Drake going always hit. Like, and whoever say otherwise, die. Hold up, cause what he said? What he said? Oh yeah.
Know how I spend it, H-O-U-S-T-O-N.
Drake just gonna always hit, cause what he said?
You said you belong to the streets, but the streets belong to me.
It's like home to me.
I tired of your passport up, now it's looking like I'm home sleep. I wish that's how you call me. That wrong shit and honesty.
Clear the error. Clear the error. All this crap. Okay. I got so many motherfucking pair of blue jean jackets, bro. It makes no sense. This gonna account me for sure too. I just bought these. So I think I'm gonna put all my pants and bottoms and stuff like that in one box, and my tops in another box, and probably like my two pieces and stuff like that in a different box. Well, different boxes, because all of it's not gonna fit. Hello?
Where you wanna go?
I'm not going nowhere. Huh? I ain't going nowhere. Say hey to YouTube. Oh wait.
you're making a video?
Yeah, I am.
I look a mess. Why was I gonna call you about YouTube? That's crazy.
Okay, I know it may not look like it, but I've definitely gained some progress, y'all. I got my clothes out of the box over here. I got boxes right here. These are just bins of towels, so don't mind that. All this stuff, I'm probably just not gonna take. It's probably just gonna stay here with the rest of what's left. I got so many jean jackets. I got 2 packed inside my bag right now. My hangers, I guess I gotta pack inside a box. Basically packed everything. That was a lot more simpler than I thought. That was a lot more simpler than I thought. Like, I thought I was gonna be in here having to decide whether I wanted to kill myself or not.
Stop it. Get some help.
Okay, that was a little dramatic, but y'all get what I'm saying. So when we're moving all the stuff, I'm gonna make sure I keep y'all informed. And oh, my nail appointment is later, so I'll see y'all there. Period. Okay, hey y'all. Yes, I got my glasses on because I want to put them on. Period. I'm gonna register my car in this girl apartment. Says to do my nails. Whoo, it's hot out here. I should do this in the car. Hello? I'm building right here. It's hot. I can't do this. Hey. I'm burnt to pieces. You smell burnt here? I don't smell it. I smell, what's that? Palmer, something like that. Whatever it's called. Monomer.
You got a YouTube channel?
Yes.
It's like, I got a YouTube too, but I just post like nail stuff.
Yeah.
And so the thing of that,
You should do more though.
more.
Do more.
I want to, but just like every time I don't be having storage. Like,
It'd be like that. I really want to tell y'all my experience here with my new nail tech. I really enjoy going to her because, like, really, she took her time. She made sure that my nails were taken care of. Like, she took a little bit of time, but like, it was worth it, honestly. And really, sitting there the whole time, I wasn't bored. She kept up conversation. I know for a fact if it was up to me, we would have sat there in silence. But
I'm gonna make sure
I really loved her, for real.
Right here, so that y'all can make sure y'all go follow her and go book with her. Period. Yeah. So that's really it for today, y'all. If I want to add a little bit more to this video, I will. But that really is it for the day. I got my stuff done. Next is my lashes. And I'll see y'all when I do that, which is tomorrow. Yes, my lash appointment is tomorrow, so I'll see y'all tomorrow.